Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to deposit money in the Binance app. First, open the Binance app. In the bottom right corner, you will see an icon for the wallet. Tap on it. After opening the wallet, find and tap on the Deposit Now button. Now let us look at how we can deposit some fiat currency into our Binance account. You can either type in the currency you want to deposit or choose from the list of available currencies. For instance, if you want to deposit euros, simply type euros in the search bar. Click on EUR from the options that appear. Depending on the currency and your location, there are different deposit methods available. For euros, you can use a credit card, but remember that this method is usually more expensive. A 2% transaction fee will apply, which is typical for credit card transactions. A cheaper option would be to use a bank transfer. However, with euros, direct bank transfers to Binance might not be available, and you may need to use a third-party service. If you switch to US dollars, you can find a direct bank transfer option with lower fees. If you need cryptocurrency quickly, using a credit card might be the fastest option, even though it comes with higher fees. Tap on Continue to proceed. You will be prompted with several steps. Tap on Start Now to begin the verification process. Agree to the terms and conditions, then tap Start Again. Check the box to confirm your details and tap Confirm. Follow through by typing Continue. You will need to provide information about how you will use Binance. Select an option that best describes your usage and tap Continue. Next, you will be asked about your source of income and employment status. Select the appropriate options. You will also need to indicate how much you expect to trade on Binance. Select an option that fits your trading plans. After filling in all the required details, the app will start processing your deposit. Tap on Continue and select the currency again. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and any additional information required. Go back to the main page of the Binance app. Tap on Deposit again, and then choose the network you want to use. Here, you will find your deposit address, or you can use a QR code to scan and deposit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.